The best portion of good man life of his little nameless unremembered act of kindness and love. Hi, my name is Simajit Kaur. I am student of MA English semester 2nd.
Let's talk about William Wordsworth. He was an English romantic poet who with Samuel Taylor Coleridge helped to launch the Romantic Age in English literature with their joint publication Lyrical Ballad in 1798. Now, as a poet of nature, he held a firm faith that nature could enlighten the kind-heartedness and universal brotherhood of human beings and only exist in harmony with nature where man could get true happiness. He believed that nature could have a profound impact on individuals, helping them find peace, clarity and spirituality. For him, nature was his guide, friend, nurse and in short, everything. Age of Romanticism. Popular in the late 18th and early 19th century, Romanticism was a literary movement that emphasizing nature and the importance of emotion and artistic freedom. The Romantic Age, often known as the Age of Revolution, William Wordsworth is one of the precious writers of the Romantic Age. It was embodied most strongly in the visual art, music and literature. Some major features of the Romanticism: glorification of nature, awareness and acceptance of emotion, creativity of artistic beauty and imagination, theme of solitude, the purity of childhood, the search for subjective truth, use of personification, vivid imagery. One of the major aspects of William Wordsworth's poetry that I choose, reverence for nature. In Wordsworth's poetry, nature is not merely a backdrop but a living, breathing presence that holds immense significance. One of the prime examples of his reverence for nature can be seen in the poem line composed a few miles above Tintern Abbey. William Wordsworth's poetry revolves around theme of nature, spirituality, beauty and the human experience. His work often depicts the profound connection between humanity and natural world, emphasizing the healing and transformative power of nature. Furthermore, Wordsworth's poem I Wander Lonely as a Cloud is another prime example of his reverence for nature. In his work, he vividly described the beauty of field of daffodil, capturing the essence of nature's ability to inspire joy and awe in the human heart. William Wordsworth has some truly iconic quotes that beautifully capture his reverence for nature. Here are a few famous quotes by him. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. Come forth into the light of things, let nature be your teacher. The world is too much with us, late and soon, getting and spending, we lay waste our power. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. William Wordsworth's reverence for nature permeates his poetry, portraying nature as a source of inspiration, solace, and spiritual renewal. Through his vivid description and heartfelt reflection, Wordsworth invites readers to appreciate the beauty and power of the natural world, emphasizing the profound connection between humanity and the environment. His innovative use of language and his exploration of human emotion have had lasting impact on poetry and literature. Thank you and have a nice day.